In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Looker Studio with Google Sheets. If you're looking to enhance your reporting and visualize your data in a more dynamic way, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you not only complete the task but also understand each part of it. First things first, head over to Looker Studio by entering the URL in your browser. This is where all the magic happens. Looker Studio is a user-friendly platform that lets you create reports and dashboards, making your data not just accessible but actionable. Once you're there, you'll notice a range of options on the homepage. These can feel a bit overwhelming if you're new, but don't worry, we're going to keep it simple and straightforward. Next, you're going to click on Blank Report. This option is typically located near the top of the page. By choosing a blank report, you'll have a fresh canvas, which is ideal especially when you're just beginning to navigate the platform. Creating from scratch gives you the freedom to customize the report to your needs without any pre-existing configurations to distract you. Once you click that, a new window will open, prompting you to add a data source. This is where Google Sheets comes in. Now look for the option to select a data source, and in our case we're focusing on Google Sheets, so go ahead and select it. Google Sheets is an excellent tool for organizing and managing data, and by connecting it to Looker Studio, you'll be opening up a range of possibilities for visualizing and analyzing your data effectively. After you've selected Google Sheets, you'll have to choose which specific sheet or sheets you want to connect. At this point, make sure you're logged into the relevant Google account that has access to those sheets. Looker Studio will show you a list of available sheets, so all you need to do is click on the one you wish to work with. This step essentially links Looker Studio with your data, allowing you to start building the report. As you connect your data, you might be prompted to configure certain settings, things like permissions or data range. Ensure that access permissions align with your intentions, particularly if you're planning to share the report later on. Managing data access appropriately is crucial to keeping your information secure and organized, and that's pretty much it for getting started. Once your Google Sheets data is linked up with Looker Studio, you can begin arranging charts, tables, and other visual elements that suit your reporting needs. Remember, experimentation is key here. Don't hesitate to try different layouts and configurations to find what best represents your data story. Thank you for joining me in this brief introduction to using Looker Studio with Google Sheets. With these foundational steps, you're well on your way to creating impactful and insightful reports.